Right, as you can tell, we're out in the sunshine, making the best use of this lovely weather that we've got. This what you may call mini heat wave that's happening this week. So I'm taking a trip down to Studland Bay, which is just opposite the city or town, I don't know what it is, of Poole. Beautiful golden beach, lovely clear water. We came here the other day, so we're coming back. We're going to go for a little swim, spend some time at the beach and experience a little bit of the ocean lifestyle. So I've already saved you the hour and 45-minute journey that it took us to get here. Therefore, you guys can just enjoy all it is, the beach, the sea and a relaxing atmosphere. So see you in a bit. And do you know what? Did this the other day as well. Walked down to the beach barefoot, no shoes, no socks. Whilst it's okay with what we're walking on at the minute, when we get to the stony part, it's a little sore, but it doesn't have to make you feel grounded, doesn't have to make you feel in touch with nature. So let's keep going. Right, thought I'd bring you out to the sea to enjoy a little bit of this secluded ocean where we are. It's lovely. I've turned the camera on at this point because on the way out here, as this is a nudist beach, you probably would have got a face full of some stuff that you wouldn't have appreciated. So here we go. I'm just going to chill out in the sea, catch some waves and yeah, take you along for the ride. So see you in a bit. So there we have it. Spend a bit of time out in the ocean, just appreciating nature, and especially on a day like today. Excuse me. Especially on a day like today. This is a beautiful bit of weather, and I hope that everyone during this lockdown has been able to appreciate the time we've had to really get back in touch with ourselves and really get back in touch with the outside world. So I'm going to leave it on that note. and I'm going to head back into the shore, and I'll leave you with a little bit more of the ocean. See you in the next video.